In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your WordPress site using Updraft Plus. This process is essential for anyone who wants to ensure that their website is a safe and secure environment, even after unexpected data loss or changes. Restoring your site might seem a bit daunting, but with Updraft Plus, it's a breeze. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Updraft Plus settings. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard, and once you're in, navigate to the Settings tab. From the drop-down menu, click on Updraft Plus Backups. This is the hub where all your backup actions will take place. You'll find this panel essential for managing your site's backups, whether you're planning for future security or troubleshooting current issues. Once you're inside the Updraft Plus settings, the next step is to locate your backup. You have two main choices here. If you have previously created backups, they will be neatly listed right in the Updraft Plus panel. Can't see the backup you're looking for? Don't worry. You can also manually upload them. Look for the Upload Backup Files option. Here, you can manually upload zip files that correspond to different parts of your site, like the database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. If your backup is stored externally, perhaps in a cloud service such as Google Drive or Dropbox, you'll need to click on Rescan Remote Storage. This will pull in any available backups from your cloud storage, making them visible in the panel. Once you see the backup you wish to use, it's time to restore your site. Focus on the right backup and click Restore next to the desired backup date. Updraft Plus will then prompt you to choose precisely what you'd like to restore. You might select plugins, themes, uploads, others, or even the entire database depending on what you need. After making your selections, click Next, then patiently wait as you click Restore again. This is the point where Updraft Plus starts doing its magic by extracting and replacing the relevant files or databases. Patience is key here as you wait for the restore to complete. Updraft Plus will diligently work in the background, and once the process is done, you'll be presented with a confirmation screen. This screen verifies that your files or database have been successfully restored, signaling that you're ready for the final step. The last, but crucial step, is testing your website. Visit your site and ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Check that all your plugins and themes are working properly. If you restored a database backup, you might need to log in again as you'll be logged out of your session. And there you have it, a straightforward process to restore your WordPress site using Updraft Plus. It's always a good idea to frequently back up your website to avoid any mishaps in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.